So work has given me a hire car to drive down to Cornwall with, so I'm gonna have a look around it. The plan for today is that my dad and I are going to go and hit some golf balls, and so I guess I'll see you after that for the next enthralling chapter of the day, which is probably just going to be packing stuff for going to Cornwall. So I'm now back from playing golf with my dad, and we went to the driving range. We didn't actually play a round or anything, but no, it was really good fun. And I've got to start the horrible thing of packing, which requires turning this mass of like clothes and stuff into something which will actually fit into a bag and be able for me to take to where I'm going to be being trained. So yeah, it'll happen. Anyway, time to get on with that. I suppose my issue with packing is I never know what to actually pack, like what I'm going to need when I go somewhere. And so in thinking of this, I always feel stuck. Like, obviously I'm going to need clothes and stuff, and I know for this particular trip, although it's only to Cornwall, I'm going to need this thing. But it doesn't stop the fact that, what clothes do I need? They've said I need smart casual, but what does that mean? I suppose it comes down to an inability of choice, really. And I guess, and I'm only assuming here, that actually my hatred of packing is nothing to do with packing. It's still that I don't like travelling or going places, which is unfortunate. Like, I enjoy it when I'm there, but it's the moving the stuff. And I suppose there's no right answer to this, and that just doesn't help me. I hate the term smart casual. What do you want? A tux with cargo shorts?